49th and Market has something brand new, and this is the first time we've had a 6x8 paper collection from them, but it's just gorgeous. It's called Seaside Shipwreck, and it has 22 papers, and let me start going, but it also has 79 laser images. So as you know, with 49th and Market, they don't waste anything. So on the back side of the cover and on the back side of the back cover, there is a paper for you. So very nice. Look at the laser. They are just beautiful. We're going to get an even closer. Thank you, Houston. And look at that. Doesn't that look three-dimensional? Just gorgeous. So frames, seaweed, well, all the things you would find in a shipwreck at the ocean, including whales and seahorses. So that's the one sheet, and here is the second one. So just beautiful artwork, laser cut, so it is precise. You just pop these out. You can see it's just really easy to lift them as I'm doing right here. So those are the 79 laser cut pieces. Let me show you the papers. We'll back up just a smidge so that you can see them. Now you're going to get two each of the ones I'm showing you, and you can see on the back side and on the front just this wonderful ephemeral look that they do so beautifully. And I love this on the back of it. Look at the mermaid right at the top, just absolutely beautiful. And we've got a lighthouse, and we've got an all-over pattern. We've got a whale and birds. So plenty of room, and this on the back has got pieces of wood, so very clever. Very nice for card making, obviously, as well as if you want to use these in planners. Now these are a chipboard weight, and just really excellent. I love, I love the art that they use, and very pretty. So we've got this more seahorses, and on the back side, like that kind of goes together, doesn't it? And there, some painted wood, and then we're back duplicating the sheets. So that's what we have now. As though that weren't enough and such a beautiful treasure, we'll back up a bit so I can show you this. This is called Underwater, and we first saw Layered Embellishments by 49th and Market a couple of months ago, or maybe about a month ago, and they are stunning. Now, look at that. You see it's on this paper, actually it's cardstock, that you can also use. So there's a nice bonus there, very, very sturdy. And it is a beautiful look for all of this art. Now these are all self-adhesive, so they've got a backing on them, and some of them have glitter. I'm not sure if you can see that. We may need to get tighter. There you go. Aren't those beautiful? Those are kind of bubbles. They've got foam tape on the back of them, and you can see the artwork. Much of it is layered, like that little fish is. And they are just stunning. So not only all of these bubbles, but just lots of things that are, you can use separately or you can use them all together. I like the lighthouse in the bottle. And you can see even going up to the seagulls, just gorgeous. There are a total of 45 layered pieces there. Just absolutely great. So it says 45 layered pieces, so that's going to be like the fish and the octopus that have multiple layers. And then there's an additional 27 of the glittered epoxy bubbles. So a total of 72. Oh my gosh, look at that. Just from this and the papers with those lasers, you've got several hundred pieces if you get them together. So they are sold separately, and it's brand new from 49th and Market. Underwater Layered Embellishments, and also Seaside Shipwreck, just gorgeous.